What is the nature and disposition of Vishaka? We heard an interesting explanation of the name Vishaka the other day from Sacinandana Baba. Remember what he said?
She's a very special sakha.
He said Vishaka means means without branch. There's no branch, but actually means she's a Vishesh sakhi. Vishesh means exceptional, extraordinary, exceptional. So she's a Vishesh sakhi. What makes her so special? You asked a question, I answered, now I'll ask you a question. My turn. What makes Vishaka so special?
She's very similar to Srimati.
She's born the same day as Radharani. Born the same time as Radharani. Has the same complexion as Radharani. Looks exactly like Radharani. Has the same svabhav as Radharani. Dheera Madhya. What do you say? Dheera Madhya, adyantika, adhika, Dheera Madhya. That guy knows Ujjvala Nilamani inside out, you know. He says she's adyantika, adyantik, adhika, Dheera Madhya, nayaka, heroine, to be specific. Dheera Madhya, there's Bhamya, Madhya, and Mridu. Madhya is in the middle, Mridu means soft, and Bhamya means contrary, hard, contrary. So she's Dheera Madhya. Vishaka is Dheera Madhya. And she's the dearmost friend of Radharani. Lalita's the boss, everybody's the boss to Lalita. Radharani's boss to Lalita, Krishna's boss to Lalita, Vishaka's boss, everyone's boss to Lalita. But Vishaka's a friend, best friend. And her chief sakhi is Tulsi Manjari, Raghunath Das Goswami. So because Vishaka is the best friend of Radharani, therefore Vishaka's servants become the best friends of Radharani. So if Vishaka is your Yuteshwari, you become very close to Radharani. If Lalita is your Yuteshwari, you become very close to Krishna. Not so good. They're also close to Radharani, but not as close. There's a certain pride among sakhis, you know. Man, it's called man. Saubhagyaman. Pride of our good fortune. Saubhagya.